how to lock position of any element in any Canva design. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can lock the position or lock any element in its place in any Canva design. So currently you can see that I have this blank Canva design ready. So let me quickly add any element in order to demonstrate you. So in order to add any element, I'm going to click onto this elements tab over the left hand side. And since currently this is a video design, let me add any video. So let's add this particular video right here. So let me click onto this and you can see that we have added this video right here. So I'm going to click onto this set video as background so that it applies the full screen, and then I will add any element which we will going to lock. So to add any elements, I'm going to repeat the same step, and for example, I want this element right here. So let me adjust its size like this, and now I want this element's position to be fixed, and so such that if I am editing or I am using this canvas extensively, I won't be able to, drag down its position. So how to lock this element is fairly very easy. All you need to do is simply right click over here and then you can click onto this lock button. Now over the lock button, you have two options. Either you can lock the complete element, and now you can see that I can now only select it, and also I'm not able to move it or perform any other options as well. Like I will not be able to edit it or anything else. So in order to unlock, simply click onto this element and click onto this unlock button. And here you can see that the element has been successfully unlocked. Now moving on to the another method that we saw, if I repeat the same steps, there is this another option that says lock position only. So if I lock position of this element, you can see that I am not able to move it, but I can still be able to edit this particular photo using this edit button right here. Now, in order to unlock from this, you can again click onto this lock button, and here you can see that now it has been converted to lock, and then you can click onto this button again and it has been unlocked, and now you can resize it or move it anywhere in the canvas as you want. Also, there is a shortcut in locking it, is that whenever you click this particular image, you will have this lock position only button available in this shortcut. So you can click onto that as well, and then you can again repeat the same steps in order to unlock this particular image or graphic. So that's all for locking and unlocking any element in your Canva design. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such helpful and exciting video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.